Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup n8n workflows created by no-code teams. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup n8n workflows created by no-code teams, start by logging into your n8n instance. Navigate to the main dashboard where your workflows are displayed. Locate the workflow you want to backup. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the selected workflow. From the drop-down menu, select the Export option. This will prompt you to download a JSON file of the workflow. Save the JSON file to a secure location on your computer. If you have multiple workflows, repeat the process for each one. To back up all workflows at once, go to the Settings tab. In the Settings menu, find the Export option. Click on Export Workflows to download a single JSON file containing all workflows. After the download completes, store this file in a safe backup location. Ensure you keep the backup files organized and labeled for easy access. To restore a workflow, return to the main dashboard in n8n. Click on the Import option located near the top right corner. Select the JSON file of the workflow you want to restore. After choosing the file, click Open to import. Review the imported workflow to ensure everything is in place. You can now continue editing or using the restored workflow as needed. Regularly backup your workflows to prevent data loss and ensure continuity. Consider setting a schedule for backups if your workflow changes frequently. This process helps maintain your no-code team's efficiency and productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.